Hey guys, Mr. Bahan wanted me to help you get started on your research and making sure you're getting plenty of sources. Every time you log onto a laptop here at Hillsboro, it'll pull up to this screen, and I want you to start looking at this electronic resources. Today you're going to click on this electronic resources. Now it's going to show you many different resources. I want to highlight these above here. They will give you usernames and passwords to almost all of the resources linked below, all the databases. But today, there's two that you're going to visit. One is called Films on Demand, and the other one is called Student Resources, which is available through Tennessee Electronic Library. On Classroom Video on Demand, the username and password is Hillsboro High, and the password is digital. Once you are on Classroom Video on Demand, this is where you can take your topic, anything you're looking up. Let's see, I'm looking at premature babies. What's neat is it populates different options where you can locate information. With each of these videos, you have options. You can watch it by segment, or you can watch it by the whole title. From this segment, I should be able to pull some good information if I were to be doing a research project on possibly premature delivery. Now, here's the key, and this is what I want, Mr. Bahan wants you to do today, is actually watch a video, watch some segments, and start citating the references or the videos by hitting citation, exporting it to your EasyBib account. If you haven't done so by now, this is a great opportunity to sign up. With your citation in place, you're going to want to write an annotated bibliography, and it's not really that hard. This is basically where you go down to the bottom of the citation, you add your annotation, and you tell what you've learned from this video. And that's where you put in your information, what you gained. You're putting the information into your own words, which is great to pull this in whenever you're building your capstone project, writing out your research. You can be able to pull this information in, feed it in. This is also where you can put quotes. So don't forget to use this annotation. Mr. Bahan wants you to add an annotation, a paragraph worth of what you learn from each of your segments that you watched. This will be so valuable when you're building your annotation and also creating an annotated bibliography. Now feel free to look for more video clips within Classroom Video on Demand, but Mr. Bahan also wants you to pull from a different database, and that's going to be found through TEL. Remember, the more you pull from each database, the more it's going to help you in the long run. We're going to be looking at student resources. Again, student resources is a great database with many different sources, not just pulling up one source. It's pulling up primary and secondary sources. Now, in your research process, you are going to start to discover key terms or thoughts or different things that you hadn't thought about, and you're going to want to start taking notes on these and maybe going, I need to learn more about that. So just like within premature birth, you might think of something else that you want to start researching, building your topic, and understanding your issue. Again, this is all a part of building your research, building your understanding. You are investigating and finding more details to support your questions and your thesis statement. From this, you're also going to be trying to cite more sources. When you find something that helps you in your research question, don't forget to read and get your understanding and build that citation out. Again, Student Resources has that EasyBib citation tool where it sends it straight to your EasyBib account. It'll put in your citation and you are going to build out your annotated bibliography. As you can see, now I have a new citation. I can go back and open the citation, edit it. By selecting Edit, I will have the option to add an annotation. The annotation option is located at the bottom. Again, all you have to do is add that annotation, add that paragraph descriptor of what you just read, putting the information you learned into your own words. So whenever you're going back and building out your capstone research paper, you can easily add this information in. Here we go. There's where you put in your annotation. And don't forget to update your citation. So your job today is to find 2 different sources. Smart kiddos, go for more. Start at Classroom Video on Demand. Remember, password is the username is Hillsborough High. Password is digital. And then venture over into TEL and visit the student resource. He's looking for 2 different sources from both databases. It's not that hard, and remember, I'm here to help. So you can catch me during your lunch break or after school, and I can help you find those resources that you're looking for.